Welcome to Spelling List 2, short I, which says I. Now we are going to play a game called dictation, so you need your marker and your board. Okay. The first word is sit. Say the word with me. Sit. Let's make the sounds. S, it, t. Make the sounds with me. S, it, t. Go ahead and write that. I'll give you a couple seconds. This is the word sit. S, it. Word sit. This is the word kiss. Say the word with me. Kiss. Let's make the sounds. K, is. Make the sounds with me. K, is. I'll give you a couple seconds to write this. Okay, here it is. K, is. And even though there are only 3 sounds, there are 2 S's. Let's do it again. K, is. You just have to know there are 2 S's in kiss. Kiss. Okay, next word is miss. This one also has 2 S's. Okay, let's make those sounds. The word is miss. Say the word with me. Miss. Let's make the sounds. Is. Do it with me. Is. I'll give you a couple seconds to write it. And there's the word. Is. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. The word is miss. Okay, this is win. Say the word with me. Win. Let's make the sounds. W, I, N. Make the sounds with me. W, I, N. I'll give you a couple seconds to write those sounds into the word. And the word is win. Let's make the sounds. W, I, N. Word, win. Okay, this is pin. The word is pin. Say the word with me. Pin. Let's make the sounds. P, I, N. Make the sounds with me. P, I, N. I'll give you a couple seconds to write it. And the word is pin. Let's make the sounds. P, I, N is the word pin. This is hit. Say the word with me. Hit. Let's make the sounds. It. Your turn. It. Go ahead and write those sounds down. I'll give you a second. And the word is, the sounds are it. The word is hit. Okay, these are review words. This is the word can. We're going to go a little bit faster. What's the word? Can. The sounds are k, and n. I'll give you a couple seconds to write that. And the word is can. This is the word nap. Say the sounds. N, ap. Give you a couple seconds to write that. And here's the word, nap. Okay, this is the word up. Say the word with me, up. Let's make the sounds, up. Go ahead and write those sounds down. And here's the word, up. The word is up. Here is our last one, and this is one we can't make the sounds for. The word is out. Say the word with me, out. I'll give you a couple seconds to write that. And here's the word. Now without, you want to remember OU says ow. Ow, like I'm hurt. And then t. Okay, friends, I'll see you soon.